There's another question which says which kind of preparation is best, either book or YouTube channel.
What kind of YouTube channel
Yeah,
for
basically they
preparation?
are the person
Okay,
asking whether the
okay. So for aptitude test, there is a channel Rodha. You can follow that channel, and there is another channel. I think Rodha will be the best because they have a short and crisp YouTube playlist and it's free, and you can prepare the aptitude test topics like the normal arithmetic topics from there. And also S-Chan has their YouTube channel, and from there you can prepare this logical and verbal ability. They will have the separate topics. They will initially discuss the theoretical part in the videos, and after that they will practice some questions. So in that way you can know that how to solve these questions, because only watching the videos of the theoretical part is not enough. You have to know how to answer the questions. There are different tricks and tips they will give you. So this YouTube channel is also great for the verbal ability and non-verbal ability. For arithmetic numerical aptitude part, you can follow the Rodha, and for non-verbal and verbal, you can follow the S-Chan YouTube channel. And remaining for the situational judgment test, personality test, situational judgment test, and personality test, you can follow. There are different websites. They will have, administer this kind of test, and it's free. And you can take this test and know your personality.